This is not the regular snacks that you know. This is just a simple snacks that you don't need to add sugar. There is no milk, so delicious and so good, so easy to make. Hello everyone and welcome back to my kitchen. So today we are making this no sugar snack that is so easy to make. So sit tight and let us make this together. As for our no sugar simple snacks, we'll be using cooking oil, just 1 egg. You can see I have grated onions here, I have salt here, and I have cornstarch. In here I have sliced spring onions and garlic, and we have the flour we are going to be using, and of course I have water here for our mixture. So guys, let us do this together. So in your bowl you add in some flour. I'm using 2.5 cups of flour. You have to sieve very well so that all the bubbles and particles will be out of it. So sieve very well before you use. So I'm done sieving. This is what we have. I'll now add in the cornstarch. We start to combine everything together. After the cornstarch, you add in some salt. You now combine everything together. Then you now add in your cooking oil. You combine together. Then you now crack in an egg. So at this point, I'm going to use my hand to work. Already washed my hand. You now rub the egg in. Rub until everything has rubbed in. So at this point, I'll bring in the grated onions. I'll add in the spring onions. Then I'll now take a clove of garlic and I'll now squash it in. If you don't have a squasher, you can pound it, or you can blend it and take out the liquid. So this is what we have now. So at this point, I'll mix everything like so. And after mixing, I'll now add in water gradually so it can now form a dough. You add your water gently. Do not add water at once so that you don't have a runny dough. What we need here is just to form a dough. This is so easy to make and this is so delicious. So guys, if you are new here, I say welcome, and if you have been following me, I say thank you so very much. Keep liking, keep sharing. Let me know where you are watching from so I can give you a hug, guys. So now continue to rub in until our dough is formed. So our dough is formed now, and it's now time to move the dough to the work surface. So what you do now is to flour your work surface. Make sure that your work surface is so clean before you put the dough on it. So this is what we have now. You get your rolling pin, then you now begin to roll. So you now roll very well. If you don't have a rolling pin, you can use any clean, smooth bottle for this. This is so beginners friendly. It's also easy to make. It's so delicious. I call this chopped 1 and chopped 2. So roll very flat and thinly. After rolling, guys, this is what we have. You can see the thickness of it. It's not too thick and it's not too thin. So what you do from this angle now, you now start to roll it until you get to the end. Roll it very well. And guys, this is what we have. You can see how well it is rolled. Just look for a way and lock it so that when it is frying, it doesn't open. So what we can do now, I'll just cut out the edge like so. Cut out the edge so that it will be equal. Then I start cutting like this. So this is what we have. So my people, after cutting, this is what we have. So I'll get my plates, now pack them in. You have to flour the plate so it doesn't stick to the plate. As I'm doing this, the oil is already getting hot on the fire. When you're frying, the oil shouldn't be too hot. If it gets hot, you get burnt. The inside won't be cooked, but the outside will be cooked. So just know how to regulate. your heat. This is so easy to make, it doesn't waste time. Minimal ingredients in your kitchen and you get this lovely, so delicious. No sugar, no milk. So the oil is hot now. You can now start adding them. Let it fry and fry and fry until it is golden brown. Guys, subscribe to my channel, like my videos, and also help me to share so it can go so wide. As you are frying, keep stirring so it cooks on both sides. So my people, this is where we are now. See, they are turning to brown, but we are not yet there until they are really golden brown. Then you can now bring them out. I call this chop one and chop two, or chop one and come back. That is what I call this snack because it is so delicious, despite the fact that there is no sugar. It is so delicious. So just keep frying until they are golden brown. At this point, my kitchen is filled with an amazing aroma, guys. You can see they are golden brown now. At this point, I'll just bring them out so it doesn't get burnt. So crunchy and so good. So get your paper towel ready. Pour them in to take out the excess oil. You can hear that noise. That is the noise of our crunchy snacks. My people, after frying, this is what we have. You can hear the chrome. This is so good. This is what we have here. So you can store it in an airtight container like so, or you can put it in a Ziploc and then put it inside the fridge or on your tabletop. You can start a business with this. You can take it to your workplace as snacks. You can put in your children's lunch box when they are going to school. So guys, thank you for watching and I will see you in my next. Bye-bye.